Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Help me bake my birthday cake. My birthday was July 1st, which is yesterday for you all watching today. To start this cake, on the large holes of a box grater, we're going to grate up some carrot. We're also going to need some ginger for this, because ginger and carrot go so beautifully together. If you like the ginger carrot dressing, you'll like this cake. And I'm going to use some pecans. You can use walnuts if you prefer, but I just like the buttery nuttiness of pecans, just giving these a really rough chop. And now we're ready to start assembling my birthday cake. To a large bowl, we're going to add in all of our ginger, brushing in the juice as well, some vegetable oil, 1 medium room temperature egg, and some light brown sugar. The reason I like this cake is it's not too sweet. We're going to whisk this together until all that sugar is melted before adding in our dry ingredients, which include all-purpose flour, giving that a little whisk, baking soda to help our cake rise, I was checking the measurement of the baking soda because I didn't want to mess that up. A little bit of cinnamon to bring out the carrot and ginger flavor, and some freshly ground nutmeg. We're going to whisk this together until it's just mixed through, kind of like a pancake. If there are a couple of lumps, don't stress about it. That is fine. We don't want to overwork our cake batter. Just folding all of that in. And once it comes together, for the most part, we're going to drop in our carrots and our nuts, whatever ones you're using, and gently fold those in as well until everything is well incorporated. You should also be preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to drop this into a prepped baking dish. This is going to be a very tiny cake because it is a cake for one. And we're going to bake this for 35 minutes or until a toothpick poked in the middle comes out clean. This is looking good, and we're going to let this cool completely. In the meantime, we can make some cream cheese buttercream, some butter, cream cheese, salt, a little bit of vanilla to enhance all these flavors, and powdered sugar. We're going to mix that up until everything is nice and creamy, and set that aside until our cake is cool. And I've just sliced off as evenly as possible the top part of the cake, just to make it a little easier to assemble. And we're going to cut this in half because this is a very flat cake. We're going to butter the middle, layer the second sandwich to that right on top. We're going to crumb coat this. What a crumb coat does is it traps any of the crumbs. It's a really light frosting. You're not doing like the pretty icing part yet. Once the crumb coat is on, pop that in the fridge for 20 minutes to set up until you can ice appropriately and decorate as you would like. So my wish for you this year is that you all get everything that you want. You find happiness and joy in everything. Thank you for helping me bake my birthday cake today. Thank you so much for spending time with me again. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.